Hello friends, Appolonia Cruz here live from Orchard Beach at the Bronx Borough President's the Bronx Borough America. And look what I have in my hand, given to me by RuPaul's Drag Race Season 11 winner, Evie Oddly. She gave me 2 of these. I have the other one at home. Evie Oddly, look, I still got it, girl. Thank you. I cherish it forever, now more than ever.
All right, let's give it up.
The fireworks are about to start any minute now.
Ralph Escalo Jr., please come to the stage. Let's go. You going? Let's do it. Let's do it. Everybody having fun so far? Somebody give me Councilmember Mark Jonai over here. Ralph, give me some music.
How you doing? Happy Independence, America. There's our Bronx Borough President, Mr. Ruben Diaz Jr. He's right, where is he? That I have the honor to work for him once a year. He's right there, look. This is our Bronx Borough President, Mr. Ruben Diaz Jr. The barges, they're parking the barges on left side of the beach and on the right side over there. Hold on. I have to turn off my phone because my phone is about to die, darling. I'll be back.